and welcome back to the 8-Bit Retro Refix. And on this episode we're going to take a look at the badavatar update for the Xbox 360 exploit. So we don't need the badupdate and the Rock Band Blitz anymore. So Shutterbug 2000 created this, and it's still in the experimental stages, but it does make it a lot easier, and we don't need to use Rock Band Blitz anymore. Yippee! So without ado, let's get started. So what you want to do is come across to the Shutterbug's bad update on GitHub. Make sure you have a good read down here. He does explain a lot of things. So make sure that you do go through all this lot and take a look. But I'm doing this for the first time. I've never done it before. I've not updated my USB stick. I'm doing this brand new, just like you will be doing straight away. I already have my bad update USB stick created, but we're going to take a look at this now and let's see if we can get it done. So we want to go for releases. And when you get inside releases, you want to take a look down here at the bottom. There doesn't seem to be anything to download anywhere, but what we want to do is click on assets, and we're going to download the badavatar zip file. Okay, so I can get rid of that now, and I can bring up the zip file that we've just downloaded. I'll pop that down there out of the way, and I'm going to bring up my USB stick, which you can see there. So I'll try and move that to one side a little bit so you can see. Okay. Just close that, move that up a bit so I can see. Right, so what we're supposed to be doing in here is we're going to go into this bad update, and we're going to go into our USB stick where our bad update payload is, and what we're going to do is delete anything that's got bad update exploit, like that one, that one, that one, and that one. We're going to delete them, so let's get rid of them. Delete. Yep, go away. And we want the update data and the KE update bin gone as well. So we want that one, and we want that one to delete them. So they're gone. So now I'm going to be taking all these files now and just dumping them straight onto my USB stick. You want to keep your default XE because that'll be for unshackled or whichever type you're using of your old bad update payload. So that's that done. We've done in the bad update payload folder. So let's see if I can go back to my USB now. So okay, we'll go back here again. So content, let's go into content, and we're going to move this one and put that in there. So that should be our badavatar profile, should that one. So we've done with that now, we don't need it. So what I want to do now is just go back into content into a 000 folder, and if you look for 584112D, which is the Rock Band demo, which we don't need that anymore, so we can delete that. Gone. And that's it. That is our USB stick set up. So what I'm going to do now is take you over to the Xbox and let's see what this does. So I'll eject my USB stick now. That one, yep, gone. And I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to put it in the Xbox. The Xbox. I'm going to put my USB stick in. What we strongly recommend to do first with this is go across to your settings and make sure, preferences, sorry. Oh, we're not logged in into anything yet. Do we have any profiles? No, we don't have any profiles, so that's good. If you do have any profiles, go to profile and enable delete the enable auto login, because we don't want it to be doing that. You also don't want to be logging into the badavatar update. There is a pin on there to stop you from doing that. But yeah, you don't want to be logging into that, just leave it alone. So what I'm going to do is pop this USB stick in now, and then I'm going to reboot the console. That's the USB stick in. I'm turning it off. I'm turning it back on. And we should be presented with the profiles. Let's have a look. Does it work? Nah, it's auto logged into player one, hasn't it? So let's go and disable that from doing that in the future. Let's take that away and do it again. Preferences. No. We don't want to be in that center one, do we? Idiot. Right, okay. I'm going to profile. And we sign in preferences off. Off. So we should be able to sign out now. Yes. Signing out. And there should be 2 profiles now to pick from. And we've got badavatar up there, which I don't know whether it's worked or not yet. So now I've reset that, let's just turn it off. And turn it back on again to do a refresh, so it doesn't auto log us straight back into the profile. So you see now we've got a badavatar with a padlock there. Now it's not done anything yet. I don't know what it's doing right now. I can see lights flashing on the front of the console, which if I get my phone and just record that, I'll bring it into the video for you. So we can see there on them lights flashing away, look, that it is actually doing something. So let's just wait and see what happens. And there you go, it's exploited. So we've done that, we've got them files anyway. So as you can see, yay, hypervisor's been patched, cushy. So that should be working now. So if I go back into my player one now, XEX menu should start up. And there you go, we have got XEX menu running. And there you go guys, it's as simple as that now. You don't need to run badupdate, sorry, you don't need to run the Rock Band Blitz anymore, or the Tony Hawks. We can do it straight off USB when we're booting up. That's absolutely fantastic. So if you've enjoyed the video guys, please hit me a subscribe and the notification bell. Check out the description, you'll see all the links in the bottom. I'll put the link down there for the badavatar. And check out the other YouTube Retro Repairers group down there. There's the likes of Captain Commodore and Retro for You. And if you want to join us in Discord, you're more than welcome to. The links will be in the description. So thanks guys, we have now got a badavatar instead of badupdate. Yippee! We don't even need to run that stupid Rock Band Blitz over and over and over again anymore. So that's absolutely awesome. Thanks for watching, catch you on the next one. Bye!